Well, hello there. I'm Jordi from JorDinner, and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making an egg in a bread. Yeah, it's just that simple. It's very delicious for breakfast, lunch, or even as a side dish for dinner. So, let's start.
First thing we're gonna do is cut some holes in our bread. Make sure you're not cutting all the way through, because otherwise you have a hole in the bottom. Lift the top and scrape out any excess bread. Now grab some oil and lightly brush the inside of the bread. Now grab your cheese and place it in the middle. Make sure you push it a little bit down so it stays in place for the egg. Now crack your eggs into the bread. Some of your egg can spill over your bread, but that's not a problem. Now sprinkle your herbs over the egg, along with some salt and pepper. This goes into the oven for about 10 minutes. You want to grab some foil and lightly pack the pieces of bread so they don't get too brown. This goes back into the oven for about 20 minutes. When they come out of the oven, remove the foil and you're done.
And that's it. Thanks for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking, and I see you next time at your dinner.